On July 18th, the FERC issued a final ruling on proposed rules released in March 2018. As you may recall, the preliminary rules stopped MLPs' ability to recover taxes in the rates they charge to customers on the basis that they don't directly pay income taxes. The final ruling modified the proposed rules in four main ways. Number one, MLPs will be permitted to eliminate Accumulated Deferred Income Tax balances, known as ADIT. By eliminating ADIT, which is a liability, the net rate base, MLPs' accounting interest in their pipeline assets, is increased. Since MLPs' cash flow from a FERC-regulated pipeline is a function of the size of both their investment and the allowed rate of return, removal of ADIT effectively increases the income MLPs can derive from their pipelines compared to the initial March ruling. The elimination of ADIT also removes some fears that ADIT liability would have to be refunded to customers over time in the form of lower rates. Number two, MLPs do not have to immediately eliminate the tax allowance. Under one of the four options provided by the FERC, pipelines are permitted to, at least temporarily, use the new tax rate in the Tax Cut and Jobs Act. Number three, if income is consolidated on the tax return of its corporate parent, it's considered subject to taxation and therefore eligible to include a tax allowance. This is particularly relevant for MLPs that are owned by a C Corp. Number four, the capital structure allowance changed. In some cases, entities will be able to modify their capital structure to 57% equity instead of 50% for rate making. This is significant as the weighted average cost of capital is used in determining the allowable rate of return. The ultimate impact of these changes will vary on a case-by-case basis. With that said, we believe the final ruling is a significant positive for the group, as it provides clarity, mutes the impact of the preliminary proposal, and even supports higher allowable rates.
For more information about Miller Howard and the investment solutions that we provide, please visit our website at www.mhinvest.com. You can also follow us on Twitter at @MH_investment. Finally, you'll find much of our value-add content on LinkedIn by following Miller/Howard Investments. Thank you for watching and for your interest in Miller Howard Investments.